Welcome back to 20 Car. Some cars whisper their arrival. Others demand attention. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracan Concept erupts onto the scene, a tempest sculpted in carbon fiber, fusing Italian artistry with electrified fury. This is not evolution, it is a reinvention, a machine that bends light, air, and asphalt to its will. Design, a vision in motion. Every inch of the Huracan Concept is an aerodynamic declaration. A lower, wider stance exudes predatory intent, with sculpted intakes breathing efficiency into its hybrid heart. The signature Y-shaped LED matrix headlights pierce the darkness, while an active rear wing adapts mid-flight, maximizing downforce at breakneck speeds. Cockpit, the fusion of man and machine. Inside, the future unfolds. Lamborghini's HoloGraph cockpit replaces traditional dials with a panoramic, voice-controlled augmented reality display. L.A.M.B.O AI learns your driving style, adjusting suspension, throttle response, and aero settings dynamically. Carbon fiber seats, lined in temperature-regulating Alcantara, cradle you through every high G-turn. Performance, electrified RAF. A hybridized 5.2 liters V10, paired with a high-output electric motor, unleashes 750 horsepower to all four wheels. The result? A 2.5-second sprint to 100 kilometers height, with Lamborghini's next-gen e-torque vectoring system delivering surgical precision through corners. Market positioning and value. Priced around £250,000, the Huracan Concept challenges Ferrari's 296 GTB and McLaren's Artura, but delivers an unfiltered, operatic Lamborghini experience. With improved battery efficiency and reduced maintenance, long-term ownership is more accessible than ever. Final verdict, a legacy reimagined. The 2025 Huracan Concept is no longer just a supercar, it is a statement, a storm encased in carbon. Are you ready to harness the lightning?